Hello, this is Thibault from Seanapps. Today I want to talk about the navigation logbook that you can find on the Seanapps mobile app. So let's go together on the app. When I arrive on my app, I can still see my boat. I want to go on the down right corner. I click on more. I can see trips, so I want to go on trips. And here I can see my last trips, so it was on the October 8th. I want to click on this trip. You can see the performance of the boat, so the maximum speed, the average speed, the duration of my trip. You can easily add picture or add note if you want to make it like kind of like a journal. I can rename my trip and I can also share it to my friends. All my trips has been automatically recorded by Seanapps. So I have it from the moment I have activated Seanapps. I can see all the trip I've done with my boat, compare the performance, and it's a great way for me. When I don't know, like in 1 or 2 years, I want to have some souvenir of what I did with my boat. I will be able to check what I did when I was on the weekend with my friends or family.